Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I am Julia. I'm a Buffalo-based content creator, and I love making videos about lifestyle, owning your own business, wedding things, outfit styling, hauls, and today I'm very excited because we have a haul video. If you don't know, now you know. I love working out and I am addicted to Gymshark fitness apparel. Gymshark makes the best apparel ever. So we've got a Gymshark haul, a $132 Gymshark haul. So let's get into it. I am so excited for these things. This is mostly a sports bra haul, but we did get something else. Ooh, and we got some socks. Ooh, okay, wait, no, I'm very excited, very excited. So we got 5 things from Gymshark for $132, including tax and shipping. So let's get into it. We're gonna start off with the most boring thing in the haul, which are these crew socks. I'm gonna need to drop the camera for this part, but I'm wearing
my pandas.
And I'm wearing these pretty thin socks right now. The pandas, I at first thought they were too small, but honestly, they're really not too small anymore. But these socks feel
Thick for
these shoes, but let's see. Here are the socks. So it's 3 pairs of socks. Let me try them on. Ooh, they're nice. Matt just got some new socks and they're very, very similar to these. Okay, so it's hard for you guys to see. Hold on. I'm honestly just gonna show it to you like this. And then I'll drop the camera for you to see it on. But wait for the camera to focus on the sock itself. Okay, so you can see the design. They've got like, this looks like breathable, whereas this looks almost like compression-y, and this looks breathable. And then on the bottom of the sock, it's got like a nice pad. Just a really nice sock, honestly. I really like it. It feels like a good athletic
sock.
So let me just get this second one on. Super comfy, it doesn't feel too thick. They're definitely taller than what I expected, but that's fine. That's not that big a deal for me. I can just pull them down and kind of like scrunch them. I don't mind that. So let me get the shoes on. Ooh, oh, they're very comfortable. Oh, this is exciting. And it was I think it was 3 pairs of socks for, I honestly feel like this was $11. I'm not kidding. I think it was 3 pairs of socks for $11, which feels like a great deal because these are great socks. Let me lower the camera for you to see them. I obviously wouldn't wear this together because this like totally shrinks my legs, but it is just to give you guys a sense of what the socks look like. They'd be a lot cuter if I were wearing leggings, but I'm not. I'm wearing this black dress with this little shirt over it. But these are the socks. For you guys to see, they've got the Gymshark logo. And yeah, they're cozy, they're cute, they're great, they're a thumbs up. So let's move on to the rest of the items in the haul. Okay, for item 2, we have the minimal sports bra. If you have been watching my channel for a while and you've seen the vlogs, you know that this is my all-time favorite sports bra to exist. I'll tell you why. Firstly, it is as described. It's very minimal. There's not a lot going on here. There's no padding and it's very minimal coverage. I also absolutely love the back of it
because
these parts can move like this. It makes it so comfortable from a neck perspective. Like, I can't deal with really tight racer back bras anymore. It ends up really hurting like my neck and my traps. But this bra and the back, super comfortable. I also love what a thin little strap it is for the bottom. The fact that this is so it's literally just one strap of thickness across my back. I'm super tactile, so I love that. Also, look at the color. How gorgeous is this purple color. It's just such a pretty color. I absolutely love it. And again, I wear this sports bra all the time. This is what I grab every single day when I work out. Even when I'm like out to like, I was just sitting out the other day and was like reading my book and tanning and just wanted to be cozy and stuff. It's basically like a bikini top, but it's just so freaking comfortable. So I bought it in a few more colors because I saw that they had a few more colors that I don't have. So we got this, which is we got the purple, which is item number 2. And before I try on the other colors,
I will tell you.
I got the teal, which is like a dark teal green. And I also got the pink, which honestly looks kind of like red. So we'll see how each of these look on camera. But this is item number 2, the minimal sports bra in purple. Item number 3, it is also the minimal sports bra. This is the teal. I absolutely love this color. It's such a nice hunter green. Not even hunter, it's just like a really, really dark jade green. Oh, it's so pretty. And seeing it against black, you can really see the color difference more. I feel like when I pull away, it just looks really dark, but when you see it against the black, you can see the difference. Again, because when I step back, it's really kind of hard to see, but I absolutely love this. It's so comfy, super cute, literally just a perfect thing. If you are part of the itty bitty titty community, you're gonna love this sports bra, I promise you. I would not steer you wrong. This is gonna be your literal favorite sports bra. It's the best. So let me try it on in the last color that I got. Okay, so item number 4, we have the minimal sports bra in pink. On camera right now, from far, it looks like red. And honestly, I thought it was red before I opened it up, and now I can see it's not red. It is a perfect hot pink. Yeah, because also, my nails are red. The tips of my nails are red, and if you can see it, this is a pinker. Yeah. This is pinky, whereas this is really like true red.
This is like hot pink.
Again, there's really not much else I can say about the sports bra. It's amazing. You're gonna love it. It fits perfectly. I know that I'm a size small in it. So I'm so excited about these 3 new colors because how fun are all of these? Oh, they look so fun together. I'm so excited. Wait, let's get a little thumbnail. Ooh, it can't focus. Okay, wait, let's do, hold on, we're ad-libbing the thumbnail. Okay, we've got something to work with. So we've got the socks, we've got 3 new amazing sports bras. Let me try on the final item, which is a super, super cute cropped crew neck. And actually, we can keep it rolling. Just gonna throw this on right on top of the sports bra. This was on sale. I was super, super excited about it. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my goodness. So I saw my sister got this, I think in just, I think she got it in black actually. And my friend Carly has this in gray. And when I went on the website, I saw that they still had it and they had a charcoal gray. I was sold. It's a cropped crew neck sweatshirt. Matt got me the regular crew neck in a gray and a black, and I wear them all of the time. Literally all the time. It's all I work out in now, and so I'm so excited to have the cropped version. What's super cool and cute about the cropped version is it's a double neck. Look how cute that neckline is. Ooh, it's adorable. So, try it on. My hair clip. I'll take that out for a sec. Okay, hold on, let me put my hair back up. This is the cropped crew. I think it's super, super cute. I honestly could have gotten away with the size extra small now that I have it on, but
it's nice and roomy.
I really, really like it. I love the double neckline too. This is super cute. I'm just so excited. I'm literally gonna, there's something about getting new things that sometimes you just wanna like take it off, throw it in the wash, get it like washed and ready to wear. Sometimes I'll wear things immediately after getting them, whereas sometimes I just feel like things need to be washed. This is one of those things where I'm like, I feel like I just wanna wash it and make it ready to wear. I'm so excited about it. Yee! It's super cute. So,
We've got our new crew neck.
new socks, a new sports bras. So that's it. That is our $132 Gymshark haul. I'm so excited about the things I got. I'm literally gonna wear these things all of the freaking time. So if you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up and be sure to hit the bell so you don't miss out on future videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
I think.
That's exciting.
Do you think?
Yes, very good.
I sent Anya a picture of
your new sweater.
yeah, I said, hey, I don't know if JP likes Bill's apparel, but this is a really good,
Good gift.
yeah, like vintage looking. I said, we'll see how it holds up.
I love it.
I'm making the pasta. You're gonna want pasta? Or what?
These are now my dirty socks from earlier. It's such a nice hunter. Ooh, I can't speak. So anyway, it is, wait, okay, the camera is trying to focus.